Do you feel like nothing you do works on TikTok and you struggle to get over 1,000 views? Well, in this video I'll show you an actual 3-step growth strategy that I've used to gain over 2.7 million followers and over 1 billion views in total. And before you say anything, no, it's not to post on the right times. This strategy actually works, and it's not what you might think. So let me show you. So the first step is the multi-hook strategy. A good hook can make a huge difference, and we're talking about tens of millions of views. But sometimes you cannot know which hook is going to perform the best. So this is where this strategy comes in. When you're writing the script for the video or recording your video, create 2 to 3 hooks for the same video. So now you have 2 to 3 videos, so I want you to take those and upload all of them at the same time. And after 1 to 2 hours, you should pick one of those videos that perform the best. And when I say the best, I mean both views and engagement, and you should private the others. So if you're between a video that got 1.5k views and 300 likes and one video that got 2k views and 200 likes, of course you're gonna pick the one with the 1.5k views. If you want to learn more about hooks, I have 80 plus hooks for free with tips and explanations, and you can grab that in the description below. Completely free, don't worry. But of course, having a good hook is not enough, because that's only the first step. So let me tell you about the next ingredient of making a viral video, and that is the interest peak strategy. Many creators think that there is only the hook and the main body of the video, but they forget about the interest peak, which is what comes after your hook. Your hook grabs the audience attention, but the interest peak is what makes them decide to stay and watch your video. So I'll tell you 3 interest peaks that you should be abusing in your content. The first one is risk reversal, reassuring your viewers that they have nothing to lose but everything to gain. So if your hook was "no one is talking about this secret business idea to make $10k per month," your interest peak would be, and the crazy thing is, this would take you under an hour to set up while costing you less than the price of lunch. When you start your video with this hook, your audience might start doubting what you're saying, and after your hook you do not reassure them, then you just lose your audience and they skip your video. But with your interest peak, you counterattack those doubts and you show them that there is no risk involved. Next, we have the negative assumption. This will stop your viewers from thinking that your strategy is the same as everybody else's. And this doesn't only apply to strategies. It can be storytelling, video essays, fun facts, psychology videos, movie videos, book videos. It applies in almost any niche. So if your hook was "here's a boring workout plan that will change your life and body in 21 days, then your interest peak would be, and before you say anything, no, this is not doing sit-ups and eating your protein. This workout plan actually works. This way you present your video idea, whatever it is, as being better and different. And if you rewatch the intro of this video you're watching right now, you will understand. And the third one is the authority builder, which is used to prove that you know what you're talking about, and you basically want to use your results or your students' results. So let's take as an example the gaming niche, and let's say you are a League of Legends content creator. So if your hook was "here's the best champion you can use to climb out of low elo, and it's the champion I used to reach diamond in 5 days. Now you might know about the hooks and interest peaks, but we haven't discussed about the actual video ideas, and it's the core of going viral. And this is where the next step comes in. Step number 3, the viral Quora/Reddit strategy, and it works literally on any niche. I accidentally created this strategy when I was growing on TikTok, and it worked so well that I still use this strategy and my students do as well. So first, this is optional, but to make this easier, take your niche and break it down to 8 to 12 subtopics. It will not only help you find viral video ideas, but it will also help you have a lifetime supply of content ideas. So you go to Quora and Reddit and you search for the first subtopic. So one of my subtopics 3 years ago was psychology facts, and it wasn't too saturated like it is right now. So let's say you search for psychology facts, and on Quora you can filter your search results to only questions, and there you can see tons of questions which are video ideas for your niche, and you take those answers and you create your script and your video idea. And on Reddit I would go to a subreddit called Ask Reddit, and there could be a question along the lines, what is a psychology fact that can help you in your daily life? So combining Reddit and Quora, you can come up with at least 20 video ideas, and you should write them down on a spreadsheet and create 4 columns. sub-niche, video idea, link, and views. And every time you upload, track your views and write them down on the spreadsheet. After you finish uploading all of the videos in your first research and some days have passed, you sort them by views in your spreadsheet and you double down on the sub-niches and subtopics that perform the best. And you create more content around that, and that's basically a recipe for consistently creating viral videos and growing exponentially. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, where you will learn how to increase TikTok's RPM in order to make more money with those views. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.